It is often misunderstood where the IEP 504 fits into college. I'm going to go over really quickly the differences. So, as most of you know, because hopefully you have an IEP or a 504 if you're sitting here today with a neurodivergent child, but an IEP is that legal binding document that's created for students with disabilities in K through 12 public education. Section 504 plan is governed by that Rehabilitation Act of 1973, which prohibits discrimination based on disability. The ADA is the federal law that protects and prohibits discrimination against individuals with disabilities in various aspects of public life, including education, all public and private universities, colleges, as well as other institutions. The ADA is not an education plan like an IEP or a 504. It reinforces the requirement for reasonable accommodations to ensure access to educational opportunities. I know there's a lot of words in there, but the gist is students do not take their IEP and their 504 to college. Instead, they create plans specific to the college that they're attending, and every college does it differently. And so when we're doing college search and match, we are really gauging what is it that my student needs, what does the student feel like that they need, and then this ability to match their needs with what the college offers. That is how we get to that sweet spot. So pro tip, make sure your evaluations are in order, because one of the things about qualifying for ADA disability services at colleges is to have documentation. So that means if you are, and usually that documentation has to be 3 years up to date, but colleges have their own requirements. So they may say we wanted a year up to date. So understanding each college requirement is pretty crucial.